Hello everyone! Welcome ulit sa Star PH TV. So another video tayo about watch and another Shopee find na naman ng ating sister na si Rita. So big shoutout sa iyo, Rita. And ayun guys, ito na naman, nakita na sa Shopee and she bought it and she asked me to create a video or make a video out of it. So kung ito guys, let's check it out after this intro.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So yun guys, so this is actually a really cheap watch and yan, as you can see, it's made from China. Ang model niya is XFZD1L 25-W. Ang color niya white and it actually came in this packaging. So if you will check sa Shopee or any other online shop, nasa around 395 lang yata. So please check na lang. This is not sponsored, so I don't have the link on the description. I don't have the link below. But ang cool sa kanya guys is it looks two-dimensional. So nauso ngayon yung mga ano, 'di ba, yung mga things na ginagawa nilang two-dimensional in terms of yung color tsaka yung lining. So with this one, two-dimensional siya. It has a little bit of weight and basic lang. Yun. May plastic pa siya. I thought it was a crack, pero part lang siya ng plastic. And it's a running timepiece, battery operated, wala siyang dates, wala ring number, but it has a 12 like ano yun, yung 12 na parang ang numbers na rin, where you can see yung kung ano yung time na. And sa ano niya, white color black, itong medyo metallic. Tapos sa back niya plain lang din, wala ring nakasulat. So if you want to make this as a giveaway, okay na okay siya because of her because of its cheap price. Again, big shout out kay Rita for letting me borrow this and have it create a video about it. Medyo malaki siya in terms din sa size niya sa akin, no. Let me work on it as I try to put it on. So yan, medyo nakasagad siya sa aking wrist and this is how it looks pag suot natin. Now let's check out naman kung ano yung weight niya and let's see. So we have this, yung ating weighing scale. I put it like this na lang. Yeah. So as you can see, it's around yan 47.56 grams yung watch. And sa sizes naman, let's check out. So yung width nung kanyang bezel or yung pinaka frame niya is 45.2 millimeters, but yung pinaka base ng watch is yan, just around 33.1 millimeters. Yung height ng bezel niya kasama dun sa kabitan ng strap, yan, it's around 53. And thickness, medyo makapal siya at around 12.7 millimeters. And from the near the bezel yung strap is 26.6, then dun sa malapit sa edge or sa dulo is 19.7. Ang thickness ng strap, it's 3.1 millimeters. So basically metal part and I think silicone to. Wala masyadong details kasi yun nga if you get it, naka-plastic lang siya. And yun, there's also a color black, I believe, nito. Tapos white naman yung lining niya to give that two-dimensional effect. And yun, flexibility hanggang ganyan lang kasi mukhang naka-fix, or hindi naman siya naka-fix, you can still remove, pero mukhang may challenge yung pag-remove ng strap niya. Hanggang doon lang, hindi siya nasasagad, hindi siya nalilate lang like that. So So yun, with these two parang lock ano niya. And nothing else I can say about this watch, but it's cool. It's white and it looks two-dimensional because of the drawing. Yan, as you can see, it's almost 2 o'clock and it's a working timepiece. Cool to na ano, okay siya na isuot siya for some casual and everyday. Not really everyday kasi baka medyo mabilis dumumi and ano. But from time to time you can wear this one and pair it with some cool clothes. Yan. So napaka minimalistic niya and as I said, white yung nako natin na color and 2D effect. So medyo ano siya, pag naglakad ka, I think showstopper siya and titingnan ka. I'm not sure if that's the right term, showstopper, pero yun nga, mukhang maraming titingin sa'yo pag nakita nila na suot mo ito. So that's it with this quick unboxing and review of this watch, guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. As said, wala siyang brand. My sister got it sa Shopee and she allowed me to have an unboxing video of it. So again, big shoutout sa ating sister na si Rita and sa mga collectors ng watch. Yan, I hope magustuhan nyo to. And yun, big shoutout sa ating mga members na sina BF Angel Mendoza in Seoul, si Tayson si Baitesha, si Sis Geb Hampas Lupong Burgis, and si Mommy Madsel. And also big shoutout kay Daddy OHLJ and kay Mommy Bel Sato, at also kay Enday. Yun, big shoutout sa inyo. Big shoutout sa ating mga kaibigan na mukbangers, ASM artists, content creators, vloggers, gamers, action figure collectors, yun, watch collectors, and sports card collectors. Yung big shoutout sa inyo. And if you're interested into those things, guys, yun, please do subscribe to our channel, Tower PH TV, where we create videos and showcase some of our collections. And of course, lately medyo na BBC tayo sa pag-create ng video, but yun, we're doing some uploads sa mga basketball games and yun, mga mahilig sa Mobile Legends. So for now, yun muna yung mga video natin, but from time to time we're creating videos like this. So yun, again guys, big shoutout sa inyo and maraming salamat sa pag-support. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. Also, yung other channel natin, Tower PH Gaming, guys, support nyo din po. Again, this is Albert Remo, guys, from Tower PH TV. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating pa mga susunod na videos.
Ladies and gentlemen. What goes with that?